Hello friends, what's up? What's going on, guys? So welcome back again in the Django series, e-commerce series. So if you can simply remember, last time we are doing e-commerce series for Django project. So please, if you are really new on this channel, please consider to subscribe, like and comment and share so that people who are like you, who likes this video, might find it interested outside there, so that we share our knowledge. We believe in sharing, giving out our knowledge. So please consider subscribing. So let's continue with the series. If you can remember, last time in the last video we created the app and we created the project, we implemented the template in the first video, second video and the third video. Please, if you don't start watching this from here, please begin from the first video so that you can follow the series very well, how we can build e-commerce site. All right, so just a simple recap here. We did the project with the products and we created a template. In the product we implemented, we set the views and all that. And in the template, when we rendered it, we got this. This was our template. So now in this video, what we want to do is we want to log into our admin. If I do login admin right now, all our products should be, if you can remember the password we created. Yeah, so when I log into the products, then I can see, if I go to the products, I only have 3 products. But when you come to the site front page, these products are not there. So you can see the name of the product is still the same template that we used that time. But what we want to do is we want to delete all these products, and then we want to post our products, to render our products on the front page in this video. Simple. All right. So to begin with, we are going to go to our template, and then we are going to go to the product section. Right. We go down to the template section. Let me scroll down. If you're using the same template, you're going to find it easier, but if you're using your own template, then you will know where your tags go and your sections go, right? So for those of you who are using my template, who downloaded it from the link that we in the other last video, then let's see. Okay, so when I go back to the top, and we got the product section. This is the nav bar. This is the shop starts from here. Then if you can see here, it's more of Bootstrap. Then our products start here. If you can see our products, this is a still navigation. Let's see where our products starts. Shop product starts here. So you can see, then we have the column which is set up there, and we want to delete some of the products, right? The popular products. Now we want only leave few products. Then if you can see here, from here up to here is one product. Let's say I'm going to delete from here, from the div of the column, from here up to down here, one product is gone. Then this section up to down, another product is gone. I just want to leave one product that I'm going to use to render some of those products. Then here is gone. We delete that column, and we up to here we delete this column. We go up to here, we delete that column, and we go down, because we only want few products remaining, one product actually that remains. Let me reload that. If you can check, now I have only 2, so I need to delete this one of the chair, or this one, any of these 2. You can just delete any of them. So what you want to do is I'm going to delete from here up to one product gone. Okay, from from here up to this div, last div. Then what we have, I think we only have the chair. Okay, so now you can see we only have the chair design, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to change the name of the product using the templates that we have, because in the admin we already posted 3 products, but we are going to loop through all the products in the database using for loop in Django in the front side. So to quickly do that, we are going to go from here. For you to loop, use Django or Python in the HTML, you have to put in the curly brackets and percentage sign. That's what you should do. You put curly bracket, double percentage sign. Inside you're going to say for products in products. So all that's you're going to use the same template, which is the design for the chair template here. You're going to loop through it. It's going to loop through all the products in the admin that you added. Okay, now what I need to do is I'm just going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate that and log in to admin, my admin, so you can see my products are here, 3 of them. Here 3. So what I need to do is I just want to go back to my my Visual Studio Code and to the SOP HTML file. Then when you start a template, when you start when you loop through when you're writing a for loop in a HTML file for Python, you start the looping and you have to end the looping. So what you need to do is, this is where we're starting it for the product, and we're going to go up to where we're ending it. I think that's where we're ending it. And then the same thing, we have to end that loop. Still, they put the 2 curly brackets and 2% signs in there. So then you say end for loop, right? So if I go back and reload this, if I go back there and reload this, that's why you see we already have 3 of these products, but I think where it's facing that is my wrong ending of the loop. I think I need to end it to be in this column. You see that? You see what's happening? Yeah, now you can see here we have 3 products excuse me, coming out. Excuse me. Now we have 3 products coming out. So what next thing we need to do is we need to bring the names of those products. This is where the name comes in. Then to bring the names, you are going to use this tag of because you're not fetching the products, all of the products. You say products and the product title. What do we call it in the name? We call it the name of the product, right? We call this name here. Then you're going to say, you're looping through all the products, and you're going to say product dot name. So that's why you're going to get the name of the product. So if you see that, then we get the product 1 blue sat. And the next thing we need to do is we want to do the fetch the what? The price. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fetch the prices here. Then instead of saying product dot name, then it's going to be product dot price, right? Product dot price. And what else do I have here? Yeah, now you can see the prices of the products are there. And then also still, if we had added our discount prices here, we could now just say product dot discount, which we can really add that in the next video, or we can even still add it here, copying that. Let's do that. We're going to say discount price, discount underscore price. Then if you remember, we're dealing with the HTML, dealing with Django Python with the database, everything you need to do is always you need to make sure you run the server, right? You make sure you run your server. So what I need to do here is to run my server and make the migrations. And let me make the migrations first because I did some changes. Then I'm going to say Python manage.py migrate those changes that I made. It's going to be migrate. Then it should be adding for me that no migrations applied, but I need to make the migrations first. Make migrations. There was no migrations. Make migrations. I can do / migrate, but I want to do that. Oh, should I add a default? I need to go back to my template, at least I mean in my models, I need to add the discount price, right? My discount price should, default discount price should be, should I set it to 1? Is there a product that we can give for free? No, I can say 1. Let me say discount price should be 99.9, something like that. So I need to go back and make that migrations again. Make the migrations, right? You can see new field has been added, but still I now need to make the migrations and migrate so that the field of the discount is created. And now let me run the server so that we can correct, excuse me, Python should be manage.py, should be run server. So our server is running. So if I go back to my HTML for the shop, I can just I can change the discount price to be here. Then I'm going to just copy these tags here and now this should be discount price so that we can have discount price the same way we call it there in the model when we were creating that, right? You see we call it discount price. You can copy that so that I make the correct spelling. Don't mess up with things here, right? You see, then it's discount price. Then if we load it, then it's going to be showing you the discount prices there, right? So one more thing is I need to add new product. We're going to see now adding the products from here, and then it's going to list themselves in the front side. Okay, so let's say product 5, description nice, and price is 70, and then you can see the default number we set there is 99.9. Then we can have how many are there in the stock. Then we need to have an image. Then I can save that. Then when we go back, there were 3 products here listed. Then there should be 4. Then you can see here now there are 4 products, right? There are 4 products. But one more thing is to change the images of the products. What you need to do is you come to where the image is. It's the same thing. You're going to have it's the same thing that you do here. You're going to copy that. You're going to say the images of those products. Then instead of saying discount, you're going to say product.image. Did I call it image here? Yes, I call it image. Then I'm going to go back to the template. I call it image. And then one more thing you need to do is to find the URL, the location of that image. So now if I say product and product.image.url, it's going to fetch where that image is. Now these images are going to disappear. Look at that. All right. let me fix that shortly. Something's wrong. Okay, let's find where the problem is, and let's for the image fields for the images. So we create what is called the media files, where we want to keep our media files, which are the images, the videos. So at first you need to create a folder called media. And then then for the media, then you want to go up there on your project URLs. You go to the tutor project, then you go to your URLs of the product, and then you import these modules from Django. Then you can say from Django dot config import settings. I think we're using the settings. And then also another one you want to import is you want to import the statics, right? You're going to say from Django dot URLs dot static. I think the static import static, right? From Django.config, I think I just missed one thing. He's supposed to be .config .static import static, right? Cool. So the next thing now you need to do is you want to say I think I'm just going to copy and paste this because I don't want to write this long thing. I have it somewhere prepared. I'm just going to copy it. And then here, if the setting debug is set true, then your error pattern, the static files, the media files, the document root file should be in the media folder that we created there. So the next thing you want to do is to go back to your media and add this route of the media files. Is the same way you do it with the static files. I have it somewhere. I don't want to write this long thing. You can use ChatGPT as we started in this video. So I want to go down here. I can go down here and then add my, alright, not up there. I want to add my static files, media files. So yeah, so the media URL is set to media and all that, right? And so I want to go to my my module. Then I want to set where my images go to. So I want to say my images should go to the folder called media / products. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm typing, the media / products, right? / product. So it's going to be in the beginning. I'm just going to delete these images that we created there. Then yeah, right, I deleted the wrong folder. Let me see. All right, let me just create a new media file, not inside, but should be called media there, right? Then what I need to do is I need to delete all this product where the files were. All right, so the next thing I need to do again is I'm going to log in. Just log in, then edit your products. You need to clear that and find a new images for the products. I think I'm going to use the same images from the static file product images, because I really don't have any other images to use for this product. I didn't prepare. We're going to use the same images, right? So let me go to my folder where the images are, and the Django images file, and then this. So my images are in the static, the product images in the static. I'm just going to copy them, those images. I don't have another images for products. Let me just use these 3 images from here, and I copy them. I can just create any folder outside here to use them, but when you're dealing with your site, I'm sure you'll be having. Okay, let me just copy a new folder. Yeah, let me just paste those products there, the images of these products, right? Here, I'm just going to paste those images there. So this will be the images we shall use to upload for demonstration, but I know you can have another images somewhere, right? So when we get back to my field product 5, I need to choose for it in images. Then I'm going to go back to product images. These are the images I prepared, and then I can change that to this, then save. Please correct the error. Please either submit or check the clear. Alright, I don't know what's going on. You choose that and save. That's it, and I go to another. I'll go to the blue t-shirt. Then I take this. Then I save. Then save, go to another. I don't want to add another product. It just wants to edit. Okay, let me add a new product. This will be a product. I'm just going to add a new product. This will be product 8. What is it? Blue t-shirt. Blue t-shirt. Then the price is $12. The default is that. Then I'm just going to do that and save and save. So if I go back to my products and load that image product.url, alright, okay, still we encounter a product. Then what's it say? The image attribute has no field associated with that. This is in line model files. Okay. Alright, alright, okay, I know what's going on that. Because some of the products don't have their images. Let me delete these products. I leave those ones which have their products with their images, I mean. So let me reload that. Let me see the image field, product.image. Let me save that. But if you can see, our products are going to the path that we define here. If you can see the path that we define here, our products are going to the media, and according to the model, that our products images go straight to to that folder that we specified, the product. So you can see here it's the media and media products, right? So let's say where my product images go that straight to that. I'm going to save media/media and find where the problem is coming from. Is the product and the URL. That shouldn't cause a problem again. Right, is there any product without, yeah, this one doesn't have image. You see, I add this, save, then I see that one has an image, and let me see product 8, this one should have an image. Let me save. Then let me go back and see. Yeah, cool. So now what was going on, if you set in your model that image fields should be comprised at the end, but in the in the database this field of image is created, but if you just post it without the image, that's when you can face that challenge again. So the easiest way to do it is to delete those ones without images and add every product with the images. So that's when your product is fixed. So let me demonstrate that to you. Let me create another product without image. That is going to crash the whole site. Product is a product 10. Nice. That's price. Just give it different prices. 56 default start. Then if I save this without the images, then it's going to crash this site. You see that? So it tried to find the image of that product, but doesn't find it. But if I go back and add for it an image, then you can see it's fixed. Then if I go, we go back, then the product has the images here. So guys, please, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and like, share, comment. And in the next video, we shall continue with how we can go to the product detail of the products. Thank you.